நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Activate the pressure points for some common diseases. We have heard about what are the keys, what are the stresses, what are the blockages, but we have to now come to the grassroots level of trying to see how we can treat ourselves. Acupressure is a subject which is quite vast. We conduct regular workshops on this, and the subject matter is so vast that even 7 days residential course from morning 9 to night 10 o'clock is also not sufficient to cover the course. And because of that, we always say that what we are discussing is just the basics of acupressure to create the awareness about it. One more thing, when I'm discussing about the workshop, it reminds me, many a times, people say, we are conducting a training workshop. Do we use the word training workshop? Have you heard of it? In my opinion, we should never say training workshop. We should say awakening workshop. When we go to the circus, what we see the animals. And when you ask the ringmaster says, we have trained the animals. Since yesterday we have been discussing, human beings are above everybody. And when human beings are above everybody, they do not want training, they need awakening. Let us not convert ourselves into animals by using the word training. Let us say awakening workshop or awakening program, not the training workshops. First and foremost, we need to remember whatever we are trying to see and learn over here, and for that, the point which is important is the point below the nose. This is the point which can be very useful for improving your memory, your concentration. This point can be used by the children as well as for the senior citizens who have memory problem, or to improve the memory also, this can be used. Not only that, this particular point is even useful for epilepsy, fits. People who suffer from epilepsy, if they activate this pressure point, at that moment of time, they can recover very fast. Even people, when they faint, many times people meet with an accident, they see blood and they faint. Many times people go to the hospitals to meet various people. And in the process, because of the smell, some accidents, some different type of cases, the various tubes which are there floating around the patient, seeing that, we have seen people faint. Many times people go for blood donation, and while donating the blood, they faint. At all such times, any type of fainting, when you press this point, this can help to recover you immediately out of that effect. Because this point goes and stimulates the brain, which in turn helps to activate the energy for revival and survival. And this is a point which can be used for memory technique also. Balancing is one of the most important thing in our life. To maintain a balance of whatever we are doing. And solar plexus, in different languages if we call Nabi, Dharan, these are the places, the navel area, this center part of our body, this part of our body. This is the most important area in our body. Solar plexus helps in maintaining the heat in our body. And heat in our body is one of the most important thing in our life. What happens when our body is completely cold? When our body is completely cold, we are dead. So what we are working towards in our life is to maintain the heat in our body. And the heat in our body is balanced by solar plexus, and solar plexus is connecting to the major digestive system in our body. Any type of stomach disorders, any type of major stomach problems, irritable bowel syndromes, any type of chronic stomach problem, people who have, we have seen, they may have imbalance of the solar plexus. And solar plexus imbalance can cause chronic diarrhea, indigestion, stomach-related problem, asthma, breathing difficulties. These are the few things which can be there because of imbalance of the solar plexus. I request you to check it up by joining both the hands together and find out if the solar plexus is balanced or no. And in case if you feel that solar plexus is not balanced, you can come up on the stage and within 2 minutes we'll show how to balance the solar plexus. Yeah, here is a case where the solar plexus is not matching. How do we show it? Can we get the camera to focus on this? So it's not